A very warm welcome to my channel. If you guys are interested in finding out what to wear from morning to night as part of your beach wear and things to go to the beach, please keep on watching. Please subscribe right now without going any further and hit on the bell icon so you can be notified about any videos that I upload. Sunshine is the best thing we can ever get. So it's never enough of it. I know a lot of you are going to be going to the beach in the coming few weeks because summer is here. And although we are social distancing and wearing our masks, but I think we are all going to head to the beach at some time or the other. So this is my capsule wardrobe of beach essentials. If you take these things, you are going to be covered no matter what. The first and foremost thing I want to bring to your attention is the sun gives out UV radiation. It's composed of UVA or ultraviolet A and UVB, ultraviolet B. And this is a very common thing that I get questions on. What is UPF? UPF stands for ultraviolet protection factor. And why are we making a big deal about it? Because we know sun's rays or radiation UVA and UVB can cause cancer of the skin. And I'm telling you, with me being in 20 years in medicine, oh my God, skin cancer has been just outstanding numbers I'm seeing, and I think we are still not getting the point that SPF protection is so very important. So today's goal is to go over a few pieces which do have UPF in it. One of the first one that I'm going to talk to you about is a jacket. So this jacket is part of the Lilly Pulitzer collection. I bought this jacket on Amazon not too long back. This has a UPF or ultraviolet protection factor of 50. What does that mean? That means this jacket is going to absorb only 1% of the sun's rays and it's going to deflect the rest 49% of the sun's rays. And that is how you can feel a whole lot cooler wearing this jacket. It is one of my favorites. It has beautiful detailed zip, and this can be worn with your activewear outfit, or you can wear it even during evening stroll while you're at the beach. I love this jacket very much, and I think you guys also will not repent buying this jacket. The second piece I will be talking to you guys about is this leggings. This is part of their activewear range on Lilly Pulitzer. However, I bought it on Amazon not too long back, and the reason I love it so much is this is my yoga pant, and at the same time this is my stroll pant, and if I am taking a run or a walk in the woods, I wear this. This is so comfortable. Again, it absorbs only 1% of the sun's rays. The rest of the rays are deflected, and that is why you feel cooler and you're protecting yourself from having skin cancer. To go along with this, I wear this breezy top. As you can see, it's 100% cotton. I absolutely love wearing cotton or linen during the season. And the reason I love it, it's because it is a better thing for your body, because cotton is natural. Anything natural is good for your body, and it keeps the body actually cool. And on top of this, I usually wear my UPF 50 jacket at all times. So these three pieces are essentials for my yoga, workout, or anything that I'm doing actively. The next piece that I'm going to talk to you about is swimwear. So after you are done with your walk or whatever, and you're going to hit the pool or you're going to go to the beach, you need some good pieces for the beach. Remember one thing, that you can have a couple of affordable pieces and a couple of non-affordable pieces, or a little bit higher end pieces. So it's absolutely fine to wear something which you feel flattering for your body. You do not have to get into a bikini necessarily. You can wear anything that you feel is flattering for your body. Why this is important is, I have seen a lot of times people are wearing swimsuits which they do not feel comfortable in. and that is the reason they don't look good. If you are not confident in wearing something, please don't wear it. So this one I bought from Saks Fifth Avenue, and this is a Zimmermann swimwear. This is timeless, as you can see, with the feminine design and the florals, which is so Zimmermannish, and I love this. This I bought from, as I said, was looking for a high-end something which is going to last me for quite a few swim season, and you cannot go wrong with a Zimmermann swimsuit. So after Zimmermann, I want to buy something which is not so expensive and at the same time still looks great and gives you great beach look. So I was talking about this one. This is actually a tankini top with built-in bra cups here, which kind of gives you a coverage, and also the material is beautiful. Again, this one I bought from Amazon, although it's a Lilly Pulitzer print, but I love Amazon is keeping a lot of Lilly Pulitzer and they are really amazing. This probably will not last you as much as a Zimmermann swimsuit is, but it's still going to last you for a long time. My third piece is this bikini halter top from Michael Kors. I bought this from Amazon just recently and I just love the print. It's so beautiful. It will last me a long time, and at the back it has a tie. The best thing about this is because of the color being neutral, you can wear with any swim skirt you own, which is in black or a darker color, and it will go fine. Even white colored will go with this. The next swimsuit I have is again from Lilly Pulitzer. This one I love because of the way it is made. It's beautiful, the texture, and it just gives you so much joy when you're wearing something like this. It's very soothing to the eyes, and this is one of the pieces I think I'm going to keep forever. And I absolutely love the design in the back, as you can see, and at the front. And this was something that you can always wear a sarong. So the next swimsuit, which I absolutely adore, no, it's not from Zimmermann. This is one of the things I found on Amazon collection. Look at this. This is so beautiful and it's feminine. I think it was a bargain price that I bought this. So I'm going to definitely link below. So this is the next swimwear. It looks very much like a Michael Kors swimwear, but I'm telling you, this I bought on Amazon as well. And this has an inbuilt shorts inside, and then it has this frilly area, which I love. At the back you have a hole and detailing design. This is an Amazon find for me, and I absolutely love this swimsuit. It is so comfortable and easy to wear. The next piece that I have together is a pair of palazzo pants or beach pants, and I love this flamingo design. It's so beautiful, and this one is so comfortable and soft. I love it because when I am kind of staying at the resort or a hotel, but I'm not wearing a swimsuit, I still want to wear something which is very comfortable, and I do not have to feel that I'm wearing anything which is difficult to manage. So I love this beach pant, and with this I also bought one of their tops. The reason I bought this is because the color here, this was actually meant for this top. But of course I have paired it with my pink colored top that I showed you before, and you can actually pair it with a lot of things which are pink or blue in color. So the versatility of this outfit is really high. Again, if you just remove the beach pants, you have another piece of clothing which can be great with a swimsuit and shorts or something like that, and then you can put this on the top. So this can work as a cover up for you as well. So the next piece I have is a romper. I love rompers because you don't have to think about what to wear for the top, what to wear for the bottom, if it's matching or not. And I absolutely love this romper. This has beautiful detailing, as you can see at the front tie, and it is so comfortable. I'll definitely insert one of the pictures. I have worn it multiple times and absolutely love how this looks like, and you can see the built-in shorts which are part of the romper, and I absolutely adore this one. So say you are at the beach and you want to wear something which you're going for a lunch date with a friend, and you want to wear something which is not going to be like an exact beach wear, but at the same time it's going to give you a coverage, and it's also going to give you UPF or ultraviolet protection. And I don't think that this is a better one. You might have already seen this, me wearing this on my Instagram pictures. This is again one of the finds which is UPF 50, so it only absorbs 1% of the sun's rays, so you're actually getting sun protection. Look at the button designing here, and the long hands does not make you feel tired or anything because it's such soft, and the SPF, all the UV rays are being absorbed by the dress, including the hands. So you're not going to feel warm because most of them are being deflected. And I absolutely love this piece. Now, say you're going to go to lunch and you're just going with your family, but you want to wear something that you can take pictures. And I think this one is a short dress from Lilly Pulitzer, and this is the dress. You might have seen this. I'm going to try to insert a picture, and please make sure you subscribe to my Instagram channel at Doc Nature Lover, and Facebook and Twitter, all links below. But look at the applique design here, and it is so beachish, which gives me beach vibes all the time. I absolutely love this piece. The next outfit that we are going to talk about is cover-ups. We need cover-ups because it's very important that when you are going to the swimming pool or to the beach, you have your beach wear, but you also need a cover-up which is versatile, and you can wear it with almost anything in your collection. So you're not hunting for a cover-up which is only going to go with certain kinds of swimwear. So this cover-up is so light and beautiful, and the pink prints are just outstanding. Again, one of my Lilly Pulitzer finds, and I absolutely love it, and I'll definitely tell you that I have worn it so many times and the color has not faded. The quality of the fabric is beautiful, and I'll try to link below. The next cover up that I'm talking about is this one, and you can see that if you are wearing this, if you have any sand in your clothes, this is actually going to take the sands away. So I absolutely love this because of the way it was designed to have all the sands get out of your body. And this I actually wear with my bikini tops and my bikini bottoms, and I think this is something that I can wear with my high-end or my luxury or the Amazon ones, which are very affordable. This one is a little pricey one. This I bought from Trina and Turk collection a couple of years back, and I have washed it so many times, and it has been time tested. It is absolutely amazing, and it feels so comfortable to wear it. Although it looks kind of heavy, it's not heavy at all. So I'm coming to the second part of my video, which is accessories. So the accessories, as I said, is very important for me because that can take your look to a whole different level. So I have a few pieces which I kind of mix and match all the time to take my dress look more than what it actually looks like. The first one is a hat for the beach. This is a hat that I wear to the beach often, and it takes the look to a whole different level because you're just making the same top. By the way, the top I'm wearing is also from Lilly Pulitzer, and I have a pair of trousers which are floral, also from Lilly Pulitzer. I'll try to insert a picture of that here. So this is one of the things that I bought, which is blue in color. I also bought something which is white because white can go with anything, and then I have another one which is black, which I usually wear with my black pieces, and it takes the look to a whole different level. So here I am with the hat, with the brimmed hat. It's looking fascinating. It's also giving me protection from the sun's rays. So my hat is not only helping me taking my look to a different level, but also helping me to feel less hot because of the sunshade. And going with shades, You cannot go wrong with wearing a beautiful shade, and it will take your look to a whole different level. This is one of the ones that I absolutely love. This one I bought from Paris, from the Louis Vuitton flagship store there, but I'm sure you can find affordable glasses or shades to wear. The reason I like it so much, it's giving me protection, it's polarized, and also has these rims which are taking this look to a whole different level. So this is a pouch that I carry always with me. What I do is, when I am going to the beach, I usually carry all my jewelry and all my essentials in this pouch, and what it does is, when you are taking pictures, you can still wear the jewelry, and then when you are going to the water, you can take it off and put it in here, so it's not going to damage from the sun's rays. And this is also, as I said, this is UPF 50. So the first one I have in my pouch, and this is from a recent trip, is this beautiful shell bracelet. Again, this is an accessory which you can wear with almost anything. It's golden color and has a little sparkle and a starfish design. So unique, so unique. I love this. I wear it all the time, and let me show you how it looks like when you're wearing it. A beautiful accessory to go with this set of clothes, and you don't have to take multiple bracelets. One bracelet you can wear for the entire trip. The next one that I have is another bracelet which has shells in it. Now you really want to keep the sun vibes and the shell vibes in whatever you're wearing, and this is a beautiful bracelet. You can wear this with almost anything because it has such rainbow colors that it can go with almost anything, and this is something I take to the beach all the time. Now this has a matching necklace with it. If you think that you're going to take pictures and you want to have an Instagram moment for you, this shirt, which was not so dressy, suddenly becomes dressy, and it is getting beach vibes. So this can definitely be used with any kind of clothing that you're wearing. Now I want to talk about a couple of evening wear. And why are we concerned about evening wear? Because we are at the beach, yes, but during dinner, you never know, it could be a special occasion. Say it's your birthday, it's your friend's birthday, it's your husband's birthday, or you are just with a lot of people and you want to dress up for the occasion and you want to go there. This is something that I wore recently. This is a dress I had bought for my birthday, and this dress can be worn in various ways. It is one of the maxi dresses, and look at the frill. This is so beautiful, this frill top, and then you can always wear it as, put the straps like below, so it can be used as an off-shoulder top as well. So I'll try to insert the picture how I wore it, but I'm planning to wear it as an off-shoulder dress if I'm going somewhere. And definitely with this, you know, you are taking this just a simple dress, that is it, and it's taking your look to a whole different level. It does not matter what earrings you're wearing or what bracelet you're wearing, you just need a pair of shoes and you got it. The last but not the least is a pair of shoes which can take your look to a whole different level. Yes, I'm talking about shoes, and I cannot tell you enough about my Espadrille wedges. I feel like buying every color of this, but look at this color. This one I actually wore with that dress, but you can wear it with anything else. Because of this, of the finish of the Espadrille wedges, you can wear it with any kind of blue color, or you can wear it as a beach wedge sandal as well. Now this one is probably not so versatile as the blue one, but it still can go with your rose gold tops, with a lot of things. You can also wear this with a white dress, which I will be telling you that white dresses are so in for now. And you can see these are also a pair of Espadrille wedges, but look at the front design, it's absolutely beautiful, and you can wear it with jeans or anything that you're wearing, a dress, it does not matter. It is absolutely amazing. And at the end, you just need one more thing, your bag. I love this. This is something I also bought from Lilly Pulitzer. And this holds a lot of things. The best part of this is this. So it has an inner pouch. As you can see, it has been used and loved for a long time, so you can see all of the marks here. But this is so beautiful because you can just take this and take this as a purse for the beach, or you can take it with the tote bag. So you don't have to have this always with the tote bag, because the tote bag is more heavy, and this you can just take it with you. Also, what you can do is you can keep your wet clothes in here, and it's not going to have soiling of the rest of the clothes, which I love about this pouch or the bag with the tote. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel at Nature Lover.